Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. I hope you are all safe by staying in the home. Dear children, in the last class we discussed about the introduction of the graphs along with some of the examples and exercise problems also we discussed. Yes, so then along with that is double linear graph also we discussed that. Okay, dear children, in this class we should be discussing about the connecting topic of the linear graphs. Okay, so what is my connecting topic, children? Is nothing but is in the higher classes based on that our topic is in higher classes which type of the syllabus we should be get based on our topic. Okay, so that type of the problems when we are solving that means is our IQ level becomes is increase. Okay, means when we are also doing that is in higher classes, these type of problems it can be easily we can do it. Okay, so that purpose is now we are going to the connecting topic along with that is introduction to graphs. It means is each and every problem also must we want to be use a only graphs. Okay, so when we are solving the through the graph only exact value we should be get. Okay, so for that is each and every problem must you have to do that is these connecting topic questions is. Okay, so dear children, now we are going to take one example that is example solve x plus y is equals to 6 and x minus y is equals to 2 graphically. Okay, how we want to do that, children? Okay, so we have to be solve that x plus y is equals to 6 and x minus y is equals to 2 graphically we have to do that is. Yes, so how we want to do that, children? Here is we are having the two equations is there. Yes or no, children? That is x plus y is equals to 6 and x minus y is equals to 2. Means is that what you want to do that means is first for x plus y is equals to 6 we have to be find the pair of points. Yes, so after finding the pair of points these points will have to be plot on the graph. As well as for second one also x minus y is equals to 2. For this also we have to be find the pair of points. Yes, so these points also we have to be plot on the graph and we have to be join the case. After joining these both lines is that both lines also will be intersect at point. Okay, the both lines will be intersect at point. Yes, so that point is for example if it is intersecting at 2, 3 means is our variable values x and y is there. So in that is x value will become is 2 and y value will become is 3. Means is we are solving these both equations is. Yes, so then we have to be find that is find value of x and y. Okay, so that is the concept of this solving the problems through the graphically. Yes, dear children, understood now? Now we are going through the problematic now. Yes, so that is solution is x plus y is equals to 6. Yes, x plus y is equals to 6. So then I am taking as a 2 points in that is. Okay, at least is a to draw the graph we require as a at least is a 2 points. Okay, so maximum is that how many you want to take the result you want to take it now. But at least is 2 points if will be no it means only we can draw the linear graph. Okay, so we should be draw the one straight line. Other than that we should not draw this. Okay, through the one point we cannot draw the linear graph. Okay, so then here will becomes is when x is equals to 0. Okay, x is equals to 0 means is what should we get that x equals to 0 children means is 0 plus y is equals to 6. Okay, so then 0 plus y is equals to 6 means 0 plus y is equals to 6. Okay, see children, here is a we took that is x comma y is equals to x value is 0 and y value will become 6. Yes or no, children? So then as well as and second point I am finding now when y is equals to 0. Okay, I am taking as a y value will become 0. So then at the time is that is x plus y value is that I took this 0 no children is equals to 6. Yes, so then x plus 0 means is a x is equals to 6. So that's why that is x comma y is equals to 6 comma 0. Yes, See children, I got the two pair of points now. Yes or no children? So these two pair of points also I will be formed, that is one box, that is first point will become 0, 6, means is a 0 and 6, and the second point is 6, 0. Yes, so these are boxes. Here in that we found that is only two pair of points. Yes or no children? So then after it becomes is I am taking the second one. What is second one children? That is x minus y is equals to 2. Okay, so then same here also. How we found that is it two pair of points is, here also we have to be find that is two pair of points is. Yes, so that is when x is equals to 0. Okay, x is equals to 0 is I am taking now. That is 0 minus y is equals to 2. Okay, so then 0 minus y will become is minus y is equals to 2. Then minus you have to send that side is, then you should get as a y is equals to minus 2. Yes, so then that is x comma y is equals to, x value is a 0 and y value will become is minus 2. Did you understand now? Next we are going to set one more point is when y is equals to 0. Okay, y is equals to 0 we are taking now. At the time it becomes is y is equals to 0 means is a x minus 0 is equals to 2. Okay, so x minus 0 will become is what you should get children? X is equals to 2. Yes or no? X minus 0 will become x or no children? X is equals to 2. Okay, so then that pair of points will become is x comma y is equals to, what is that x value children in that point is 2 and y value will become is 0. Yes, so then that pair of points is a, we have to be represent as a x. First point is 0 comma minus 2. Yes, so as well as second point is 2 comma 0, 2 comma 0. Yes. Yes, so these four points, a pair of points will become is, here the two pair of points also is a, for these two pair of points what we draw that is one straight line, as well as for these two pair of points is we have to be draw that one straight line. So that both straight lines will become is intersected point. That point only is the required solution of line. Okay, so for that is now we want to be draw the graph. Now we are going to set a graph now. Yes, so here is by observing here the points will become is 0, 6 and 6, 0 we are having now, means is maximum values of how much is line 6 and minimum lowest values of how much is line minus 2 we are having now. Yes or no children? Okay, so for that is what we want to do that means is, now scale if will be takes it on x axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit will be get. Yes or no children? On y axis also 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit will be get. Yes or no children? So for that is now scale I am taking that is scale on x axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Yes, on y axis also 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Yes, so then based on this will become is, when you are taking a dish, values here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, 7, 8. Okay. Next, as well as on y axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is y axis. Yes. So on that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Next, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Yes. So then after it becomes is, we have to be plot these points. Now see children, there is the first one will becomes is 0, 6. Okay, x axis value 0, y axis value 6. So x axis value 0, y axis value will becomes is 6. Yes, and the second one will becomes is x axis value 6 and y-axis value 0. Okay, so 6 comma 0. 6 is on x-axis. Yes. So and the y-axis will become 0. Yes. So then after you have to take the scale and you have to be journal this. Next. Yes. Then after this you have to be write the equation name also. What is the equation name is x plus y is equals to 6. Okay. That is x plus y is equals to 6. As well as second one is what is second one children? So 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, 0 and minus 2. Here it should be given children. Next, as well as second point will become is 2 comma 0. Yes, 2 is on x-axis and 0 on y-axis will become is we should be get here now. Yes, so take the scale and you have to draw the straight line. While joining that will become is that both will become intersected point. Yes, so the point will become is here. That is x-axis once you have to take the scale and you have to draw the straight line. Yes, on y-axis. Yes, so that is 4 comma 2. Yes, so it means is that result is the what you should get. That means is yes. So result. Both lines are intersect at 4 comma 2. Yes. So therefore that is x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2 is a solution of our equations. Do you children understood now? I hope you are all understanding about this concept. Regarding this class, if you are giving them any homework, you ought to be complete within the time and send through WhatsApp to me. Thank you. Jai Shri Guru.